How to fix Allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone problem. If you are facing problem on accessing your camera and microphone on TikTok, then here's how to fix it. Firstly, open settings on your device. After opening settings, you will see different options like this. Go to the search bar on the very top and type in TikTok. Now inside TikTok, you will see two options, microphone and camera. By simply turning on these two options, your problem should be fixed. But also go to your settings main page. After that, select the option screen time. Inside screen time, go to the section limit usage. After that, select the option app limits. If you have added TikTok to your app limits, then remove it. Sometimes adding TikTok app to the app limits will create access problem. Now go back to your settings main page and go to general. Inside general, look for any software updates that may be available. If there are software updates available, then update it. If not, then go back to your home page. Now in your home page, give your device a quick restart. After restarting your device, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.